Hello, my name is Anuj. In this video, I'm going to talk about while loops. So, what is the difference between for loop and while loop? So, in the for loop, we control our loop by telling, when we make our loop, we tell our loop that we want to run this loop this many times. Okay, where? Here. Okay, as you can see here, I mentioned that I want to run this loop 5 times. Okay, I know, I can predict, okay, that this loop will run 5 times. Okay, now how to do the same thing using while loop? Okay, so let me copy this, copy, and then here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna say times equals to 0, and I will say while times is, say, 5, like this, and here I'm gonna print print that message. Let me copy that message here. Then I also need to do one more thing, that I will say times equals to times plus 1. Okay, so what is this? So my computer will read like this: times equals to 0. Then in the second line, it will be like this: while times is less than 5. So as long as times is less than 5, this loop will run. Okay, so it will be like this: 0 is less than 5. True, the condition is true. I told you we are controlling our loop using a condition. So the condition is true, then this line will work. Okay, now it will come like this: 0 plus 1 will become 1. Then it will run again: 1 is less than 5. True, the condition is true, then this loop will run. And then if it is like this: 5 plus 1, 6. So my computer will be like this: 6 is less than 5, the condition is false. Okay, now this loop will not work. And yeah, so let me show you. So I'm gonna write like this: index.py, and now you can see 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so you can see we printed the same line 5 times. Okay, so okay, another example I would like to show you. So let's say, for example, you want to do something. Okay, and you want to give this functionality to your user. Okay, user will decide, okay, how many times they want to print this line. Okay, so it will be like this. So I'm gonna ask my user. Okay, so first I'm writing like this. Okay, it will be confusing for you, but let me complete my code, then you would able to understand it. So here I'm saying ask is equals to nothing. Okay, so here I say while ask is equals to no. Okay, here I say something like this, and now let me come here, and then I am using ask again. Okay, and here I'm saying input. Okay, do you want to print, do you want to stop, let's say, do you want to stop? Okay, so if I say no, okay, then the loop will work, and if I say something else, then the loop will stop. Okay, so while ask, do you want to stop, so let me write something like this. Okay, yes, or let me write like this: yes or no. Okay, then I will do something like this: print the message. Okay, you want to stop? um okay, so let me run this, or I should say, do you want to print? Let's say this: do you want to print, yes or no? So when I run this cls, and when I run the what has happened, while ask is equals to no, ask input. Okay, let's say, let me do this instead: when it is not equals to no. Okay, um then this. Okay, so when I say something else, okay, so it says, do you want to print? Yes. Do you want to print? Yes. Do you want to print? Yes. Okay, even if I write something else, okay, to be honest, it will work. Okay, even if I write something else, it will work. Now I can print this line, okay, as many times I want. But if I want to, you can see my program has not ended. Okay. So if I write something, not something, if I write specifically no, then you can see now this has ended. Now you can see it is like this. Okay. So, okay. Do remember that I am controlling this loop. I am controlling this loop by this condition where I say ask is should not be equals to no. So when it is not equals to no, this loop will work. So even if I write something else in there, this loop will work. Okay, anything. Okay, yes or no. We can make this condition more sophisticated, but just to understand while loop. Okay, this is enough. Okay, I'm running this line. Okay, and I'm controlling this loop by printing this. Okay, so I can also do something like this. Okay, control X, let me do this. I will print this, then I will ask. Okay, because that would make more sense. CLS. So when I do this, so please join me on this. Do you want to print? So when I say yes, say yes, yes, and even if I say no, okay, because like these computer Python is case sensitive. Okay, so capital N and then O and small no, like they are different for computer. So I need to write like this. Okay, no. Okay, so yeah, I can also make this more intuitive for you. Okay, and let me show you one example where would you see that um, that how to use methods. Okay, so when I say this no, so whenever taking do you want to print yes or no, okay, I can put this sort of capitalize. Okay, now no matter what I write, ls, and if I run this, so even if I write no, even if I write like no like this, okay, you can see now my computer uh, now my computer knows that this is like capital No. Okay, why? Because when I'm storing the input from the user, okay, I'm applying this method and I'm changing it. Okay, so even if they are typing like small no, okay, I am capitalizing the given input using this method. Okay, so there you can see um, how to where to use these methods, and they are very useful. Okay.